Ever dreamt of a life where money flows in even when you're on a beach sipping pina coladas? Sounds like a far-fetched movie plot, right? But what if I told you that a digital ally can make this dream a reality? Dive in with me today as we explore AI tools that can potentially revolutionize your income stream. Trust me, you'll want to stick around because this might just be the key to unlocking that financial freedom you've always dreamt of. Number 1. Chatbots for e-commerce. In the bustling digital marketplace, speed and efficiency are key. Customers want answers now, not in a few hours. But what if you're catching some Z's or trekking in the Amazon rainforest? Enter chatbots. Chatbots, driven by AI, can chat with customers 24/7, answering queries, providing product recommendations, and even sealing the deal with sales. While many of us might have initially been skeptical about interacting with a robot, the advancements in AI have made these chatbots increasingly sophisticated and human-like. The beauty of using chatbots is that they're always on duty. They don't need coffee breaks or vacations. Once set up on your e-commerce site, they can handle a chunk of customer interaction, ensuring that potential clients don't bounce off just because you're not around. You're essentially making sales while you sleep, turning your e-commerce platform into a passive income machine. Did you know chatbots are now so advanced they can even upsell and cross-sell? That's right. When a customer is considering a purchase, chatbots can suggest related items or more premium products, thus increasing the average transaction value. And the best part? They do so based on real-time customer interaction and feedback. This dynamic sales approach often results in better customer satisfaction, and it provides personalized shopping experiences tailored to individual preferences. Furthermore, chatbots can also be integrated into CRM systems. This means they can remember customer preferences, order history, and interaction. The next time a customer visits your e-commerce site, the chatbot can offer product suggestions based on previous purchases, creating a tailored shopping experience. This not only boosts sales, but also builds brand loyalty, ensuring a continuous flow of passive income. Number 2. AI-driven stock trading platforms. The stock market, a game of numbers, predictions, and a dash of luck. It's thrilling, yet volatile, but AI is revolutionizing this arena. Modern stock trading platforms, fueled by AI, analyze vast amounts of data at breakneck speed, making calculated decisions in a fraction of a second. These platforms are not just limited to analyzing current market conditions. They dig deep into past trends, corporate announcements, world news, and even social media sentiments to predict future stock movements. With such a tool by your side, even if you're a novice, the chances of making profitable trades increase. Now, the idea isn't to entirely rely on AI for stock trading, but to use it as an assistant. While you're busy with other tasks, the AI-driven platform keeps an eye on the market, making trades on your behalf. It's like having your very own Wall Street expert in your pocket, helping you generate a stream of passive income. When using AI for stock trading, it's not just about making quick decisions. AI can also help in long-term investment strategy. By analyzing a company's performance over several years, AI can give insights into its future growth potential. Investors can then make informed decisions about holding or selling stocks, often leading to higher returns in the long run. Moreover, these AI platforms come equipped with educational resources. These resources, ranging from tutorials to market insights, empower users to understand the stock market better. As a result, users are not just relying on AI, but are also equipped with knowledge, enabling them to make more strategic investment decisions, thereby maximizing their passive income. Number 3. AI content creation tools. Content is king. We've all heard that. But producing consistent, high-quality content is time-consuming. While AI is here to wear the writer's cap, AI-driven content creation tools can generate articles, blog posts, and even ad copies. These tools utilize vast databases of existing content, language patterns, and SEO practices to produce pieces that are not just coherent, but also engaging. For bloggers and website owners, this is a game changer. With fresh content constantly updated on your site, you'll attract more visitors. More visitors mean more ad revenue or product sales, all of which translates into, you guessed it, passive income. And the best part? Once these AI tools are configured, they can keep churning out content even while you're sunbathing in the Maldives. What if you're thinking, but what about authenticity in my content? Fear not, some of the latest AI content tools allow you to input your own unique voice and style. Over time, these tools learn from your feedback and edit, ensuring that the content generated aligns closely with your unique voice. So while AI might be doing the heavy lifting, your personal touch is still evident. Additionally, AI content tools are becoming increasingly versatile. Beyond articles and blog posts, they can now generate video scripts, email campaigns, and even social media posts. By diversifying the type of content produced, you can reach a broader audience, ensuring multiple streams of passive income from various platforms. Number 4. AI-powered affiliate marketing tools. Affiliate marketing has been a trusted passive income source for many, but with millions of products out there, how do you decide which one to promote? Here's where AI comes to the rescue. AI-powered affiliate marketing tools scan and analyze vast amounts of data, from product reviews to sales figures. They then recommend products that are not only trending, but also have a high probability of conversion for your specific audience. But that's not all. Some of these tools even auto-generate affiliate links and strategically place them within your content, ensuring optimal click-through rates. By aligning your content with products that resonate with your audience, the chances of them making a purchase increase manifold, and with each sale, you earn a commission, even while you're deep in dreamland. Beyond just suggesting products, some AI tools can even analyze the layout and design of your site to determine the optimal placement for affiliate links. By strategically placing links where they are most likely to be clicked, the conversion rate is further boosted. Imagine a tool that not only tells you what to promote, but also where to promote it for maximum returns. And the insights don't stop there. Post-sale analytics is another forte of AI-powered affiliate marketing tools. They can dissect which products are performing best, what type of content drives more sales, and which audience segments are most responsive. By understanding these metrics, you can refine your marketing strategy, ensuring sustained and growing passive income. Number 5. AI-driven digital art platforms. Digital art is in vogue. From website designs to digital portraits, the demand is skyrocketing. But not all of us have the artistic touch. Fear not, for AI is here to unleash the artist within. Platforms powered by AI can transform basic sketches or even vague ideas into stunning pieces of art. With simple inputs, these tools can generate graphics, animations, or even full-blown website designs. For the entrepreneurial minds out there, this opens a world of possibilities. Imagine creating digital art pieces or offering design services without ever touching a graphic design tool. The artwork can be sold on various platforms, earning you royalties every time someone makes a purchase. As these creations circulate the digital realm, your bank account enjoys a steady inflow, all thanks to the artistic prowess of AI. The world of AI-driven art isn't just about static images. With advancements in AI, we now have tools that can generate animated sequences, 3D models, and even interactive media pieces. This widens the scope for artists and entrepreneurs. From video game assets to augmented reality experiences, the digital art landscape is ripe with income-generating opportunities. Moreover, AI art tools now come with collaborative features. Multiple users can work on a single project, with AI providing real-time feedback and suggestions. This collaboration results in richer, more diverse art pieces. It also means that even if you're not artistically inclined, you can collaborate with those who are, combining your unique strengths to produce and sell digital masterpieces. As we journey deeper into the digital age, AI continues to present opportunities that were once considered the realm of science fiction. By leveraging these tools and integrating them into our entrepreneurial pursuits, we're not just ensuring passive income, we're setting the stage for a prosperous AI-augmented future.